Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did this style using my own DIY clip-ins. Yes, I made my own clip-ins. Now I didn't want it to be spending no certain money and I wanted to be saving my coins, so I decided to make my own clip-ins. And the hair I used, it's from the Linda's collection, as you all just saw, and it's a synthetic hair and it's in the color 1B. Also it's in 18 inches and the curl pattern is Beyonce. So yeah guys, and as you all just saw, I used my cream of nature coconut milk. I hydrated my hair before I decided to do my style, so I did that off camera. And to prep my hair for the style, I already added in some fat twist to the back section of my hair. So the front, I'm just gonna be parting, making a part all the way to each end from ear to ear, and the back I'm just gonna tighten my fat twist and prep for my clip-ins. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, also turn on your notification, and let me give you guys a little more info about my clip-ins, my synthetic hair clip-ins. So I did purchase the hair at my local beauty supply store, and I got one pack of the synthetic hair, and it really was enough for my clip-ins because one pack had enough body. And I decided to do my own clip-ins, you know, to save a little money, save a little extra coins. So if you guys are looking to save a little money, you can also do your own clip-ins. You can buy the clips also at the local beauty supply store, and you can do your own clip-ins, you know, save that money. So I decided to do that, and to be honest, the clip-ins really came out good. I love how it came out, and I can use my clip-ins even though the hair is synthetic. So the back is prepped and ready for my clip-ins. Now when I made my clip-ins, I did measure each weft, and for this particular style, when I reached to the top, some of the wefts were longer. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I did to make my wefts fit in place. So we're going to do our first weft, starting with the shorter wefts. I'm going to put that to the back, and as I make my way to the front, to the top section of my hair, I'm going to show you guys what I did using the longer wefts. So in total, I used about 6 pieces of clip-ins to the back of my hair. So I really can't believe that I made my own clip-ins and it came out really good. So I think I'm going to be trying this with different type of hair texture, maybe human hair next time. So when I do that, I'm going to show you guys another video on how I do more DIYs using different types of hair extensions. So as you all can see, the top weft is really long. So to make it work for this particular style, I'm just going to be clipping this weft underneath the first weft that I did, and I'm just going to secure that, and it's going to stay in place and look really natural. So I did that for each side of my hair. I didn't show that on camera, but that's what I did for the both sections to complete the back. Just make sure that your clip-ins are laid down really nice and flat, because you don't want your clip-ins to look bumpy. To disguise my clip-ins, I'm going to just part like a thin section of my hair onto the weft, and to make it look more uniform and more natural, I'm going to be using my Eco Styler. Using my gel, I'm going to mimic my curl patterns to match my wefts, and surprisingly it did match my wefts really well. So we're going to finish the back and get started on the front, and when we reach to the front section of my hair, I'm going to show you guys how I place my clip-ins as well. I place my first weft to the front section of my hair, I'm just going to be wrapping it around my bun, and as I wrap each weft, I'm just going to clip as I go along. And in total, the front of my hair took about 4 wefts, making sure that I clip each piece close to each other as possible to get it, you know, uniform, because you don't want any bumps to your clip-ins. So for my edges today, I'm going to be using my Murray's Edge Wax and my edge brush. And you can do your edges, it's optional. You all can do your edges if you want to or not. It's your preference. But for me, my edges is a must. So if you guys like how the look came out, please let me know. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. I think I'm going to be trying this DIY again with different type of hair. So just remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed, create magic. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.